Hello, welcome to this stock market analysis. Today we're going to look at SMCI, Supermicro Computer. And so without further ado, let's switch to the daily chart of SMCI. So first of all, we have this stock going up, making highs, and then it's correcting down here. Now, is this gonna continue go up, or is this stock right for a reversal? So first of all, I would like to bring your attention to this triangle pattern. If you have saw my analysis in the past, you will realize that I said this is a triangle pattern, and when the stock breaks above the this upper trend line, it means that the possibility of it going higher is very good. The other thing is that the apex of the triangle can be a support area. Now, the apex of the triangle, this is a support area. You can see it forming a rounding top here and correct, and it formed kind of like a small doji type, and then a bottoming tail, which tells us that support is having the effect of helping it to stop the drop. Okay, now with the stock like this, there is a possibility that you may have a, what do you call it, head and shoulders pattern. I don't know whether you can see it or not, but this is what it looks like. Okay, let me just draw it. Okay, I want you to be aware of it so that you're not surprised if the stock collapses. So there is a possibility that there might be a head and shoulders top. Okay, so you can see this is the left shoulder, this is the head, this is the right shoulder. Now if SMCI cannot move higher than the left shoulder here and continue to make new highs, there is a possibility that the right shoulder might form, and then this will be most likely be the neckline, and when it breaks below the neckline, you might see it going down even below the 50 MA. Okay, so do be aware of that, especially if there is a topping tail that forms by the end of this day or tomorrow. Okay, so now at this moment it has gone back above the 20 MA. It's still above the 50 MA. At least we know that if it hits the 50 MA, there might be a support. Right now, the stock, this is the 60-minute chart, and what I would like to do is always to draw a trend line and see if the stock is able to break above the trend line. So if SMCI can break above this downtrend line, most likely it's going to go higher. Now, the stock here, it is from a cup handle in the 60-minute chart. If you can see, this is the cup, this is the handle, and it's broke up higher. And the target would most likely be here. You can actually trade the cup with handle pattern even in the 60-minute chart. You only need to get a target of around here. Okay, 1137. If it continues to go up, your mid target, and we want to see it stay above this downtrend line and continue moving higher and make new highs. Okay, if not, the head and shoulders pattern in the daily chart might materialize. Okay, the head and shoulders pattern might materialize. All right, let's look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart doesn't tell us much, all right, except that it break out and still in a weekly uptrend, but it is the clues that we see in the shorter time frames, like the daily chart and 60-minute chart, that give us clue of what might happen. So it will be interesting to see where SMCI close today and tomorrow. So you want to see it close higher way up here so that the head and shoulders pattern will materialize. You want to see this to be a higher low. Okay, so far it make this swing low. We don't want to say that the trend has changed unless it drops below the low here. Then we will have the end of the uptrend. Okay, so you want to see it moving higher, break above this high here, continue to make higher highs and higher lows. So I hope that this analysis on SMCI has been helpful to you. If it's helpful to you, please give me a thumbs up in this video and subscribe to my channel for more analysis like this. And I'll see you in the next one.